Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and today is 3rd of June 2023. Here we're going to be trading the Volatility 100 index, and we are on the deriv interface. So we've logged into the trading account. So I placed one trade here because I saw the movement of that tick right there. I saw the movement right there, that's why I placed the trade. So you can see we've already made 5.21 right there. So before we proceed, let's go back to the binary options trading boat. For those who haven't purchased the boat, the TOUCHSCALPER automated trading boat is just 9.99 USD, and it works on the deriv interface. So to order this boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.technologies.com.ng, and the PIPSREAPER boat as well. This is the PIPSREAPER boat, is just 7.99 USD, and it works on the deriv interface as well. They are both automated trading boats to automate your trade. And don't forget that all our boats now comes with the free synthetic indices trading ebook, then the free binary options trading boats. You also get the free Forex trading ebook, as well as the free Forex trading boat as well. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for all updates on all what we'll be releasing, the free trading strategies and updates on the boat as well. Subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links again. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boats. This is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boats. And this is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. And these are the links to subscribe to our channels right here. And this is the third channel. And these are the links to download our free ebook and the Forex trading boat as well. Just check all this in the video description on YouTube. We're going to paste all the links in the video description on YouTube. So let's get back to the trading. So as stated earlier, you're going to set the time to 3 minutes. Then you're going to make sure you set the trade type to touch no touch, and you remember we're trading Volatility 100 index. I spot the movement there, that's why I placed the trade as well. So you can see we've won that trade again. We won that trade. So you set the barrier offset to plus 2.23, enter the amount you want to stake, and once this thing is pushing right up, once the tick is pushing right up, you click on touch. That's what you'll be clicking on. Once it's pushing right up, that's what you click on the touch. So you can see it's going down now. So we're going to place one more trade. We've already won 2 trades. Okay, you can see it's going right up there. That was when I clicked on the touch option there. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So as you can see, we won that trade. So make sure you do all the settings correctly before you place the trade. Thanks for watching. Bye.